Hello children, once again I Preeti Shrivastava welcome you all to the online class of Divine Public School. Today I will teach you English sound of vowel O. This is your English book work on language. All of you open page number 18. This is page number 18. Here is written VOWEL vowel O. LOOK look. READ read. AND and. UNDER STAND. understand. THE the. SHORT short. SOUND sound. OF off. VOWEL vowel O. Look, read and understand the short sound of vowel O. Here is written OT ought. OT ought. POT pot. DOT dot. COT cot. Pot dot cot. OG og. DOG dog. LOG log. FROG frog. Dog log frog. OP op. TOP top. MOP mop. HOP hop. OX ox. OX ox. BOX box. FOX fox. Ox box fox. OCK ock. LOCK lock. ROCK rock. FROCK frog. Lock, rock, frog. Once again, all of you read with me. POT pot. DOT dot. COT cot. DOG dog. LOG log. FROG frog. TOP top. MOP mop. HOP hop. OX ox. BOX box. FOX fox. LOCK lock. ROCK rock. FROCK frog. Lock, rock, frog. Like this, all of you read page number 18. Now all of you open page number 19. This is page number 19. Here is written READ read. ALOUD allowed. THE the. LONG long. SOUND sound. OF off. VOWEL vowel O. Read aloud the long sound of vowel O. BONE bone. BOAT boat. SOAP soap. CROW crow. Once again, all of you read with me. Bone, boat, soap, crow. Here is written SOME sum. WORD world. FAMILIES families. WITH with. LONG long. SOUND sound. OF off. VOWEL vowel O. Some word families with long sound of vowel O. Children, here are word families. OE. Here we will read the words related with OE sound. ROSE rose. POSE pose. DOSE dose. NOSE nose. THOSE dose. Once again, all of you read. ROSE rose. POSE pose. DOSE dose. NOSE nose. THOSE dose. Rose, pose, dose, nose, dose. OE sound. ROLE roll. HOLE hole. POLE pole. SOLE soul. MOLE mole. Roll, hole, pole, soul, mole. Now OE sound. COKE coke. JOKE joke. POKE poke. BROKE broke. SMOKE smoke. Coke, joke, poke, broke, smoke. Now OST sound words. MOST most. COST cost. POST post. LOST lost. GHOST ghost. Most, cost, post, lost, ghost. Now OE sound word. HOPE hope. ROPE rope. POPE pope. SCOPE scope. SLOPE slope. Hope, rope, pope, scope, slope. Like this, you will read word families with long sound of vowel O. Here is written LET apostrophe S. Let's READ read. AND and UNDERST AND understand. Let's read and understand. A CROW crow. A crow. A CROW crow. ON on. A BONE bone. A crow on a bone. A crow on a bone. A BOAT boat. A boat. A BOAT boat. IN THE the HOLE hole. A boat in the hole. A boat in the hole. A POLE pole. A POLE pole. ON on. THE the ROAD road. A pole on the road. A pole on the road. A SOAP, soap. A soap. A SOAP, soap. AND, and. A ROPE, rope. A soap and a rope. Once again, all of you read with me. A crow. A crow on a bone. A boat. A boat in the hole. A pole. A pole on the road. A soap. A soap and a rope. Okay children, like this you will read page number 19 with correct pronunciation. Okay. Now all of you open page number 20. This is page number 20. Here is written CIRCLE, circle. THE, the. CORRECT, correct. WORD, word. FOR, for. EACH, each. GIVEN, given. PICTURE, picture. Circle the correct word for each given picture. Children, some pictures are here and some words are written here. You have to recognize the picture and circle on the correct word. This is picture of bone. Here is written LOCK, lock. POT, pot. POSE, pose. BONE, bone. This is picture of bone, so you have to make circle on BONE, bone, like this. Now which picture is this? This is picture of frog. Here is written POPE, pope. FROCK, frog. This is the spelling of frog, so you have to make circle on this word. FROCK, frog. JOK, joke. SMOK is smoke. This is the picture of frog, so you will circle on frog. Which picture is this? Pole. POLE, pole. Children, you have to make circle on POLE, pole, like this. HOLE, hole. ROLE, roll. MOLE, mole. Now children, which picture is this? This is picture of nose. BOX, box. DOT, dot. NOSE, nose. So you have to circle on this, like this. FROG, frog. Like this you will make the circles. WRIT, right. TWO, WORDS, words. THAT, that. RHYME, rhyme. WITH, with. THE, the. SOUND, sound. OF, off. THE, the. GIVEN, given. PICTURE, picture. Write two words that rhyme with the sound of given picture. Children, here you have to recognize the picture and write two words that rhyme with the sound of this picture. This is picture of log. Rhyming word of log is fog. FOG, fog. And another word is dog. DOG, dog. Fog, dog. Like this you will write. Which picture is this? This is a picture of pot. Rhyming word of pot is dot. D-O-T dot. D-O-T dot. Another word is C-O-T cot. Dot cot. This is picture of cock. Rhyming word of cock is L-O-C-K lock. And another word is R-O-C-K rock. R-O-C-K rock. This is picture of rose. Rhyming word of rose is pose. And another word is dose. P-O-S-E pose. D-O-S-E dose. Okay children, like this you will complete page number 20. Now we will meet again in next video. Till then, bye bye.